Hey guys, welcome to Millennial Kitchen. I'm your prolineal millennial, Miss Linda. Today we are going to be making the best kind of sandwich for these apocalyptic times, the grilled cheese sandwich. Now today we're going to also do a little bit of an experiment. We have grilled cheese with your buttered bread, and we have grilled cheese with your mayonnaised bread. I saw it on a grilled cheese tutorial on YouTube that said putting mayonnaise on it helps the cheese melt a little bit better, so I figured, what the heck, let's try it. So first you need to do is you need to put your butter or your mayonnaise on your bread as shown on the plate. Next you need to heat up a pan and put a little bit of oil in it, or you can use a little bit of butter. It's kind of whatever you want to do. So now we're going to just set this on there, get it sizzling, and we are going to take our cheese. You can use sliced or you can use sprinkled. I have sprinkled cheese because I'm that kind of person. And this is Colby Jack, nice sharp cheese. I'm going to take that and we are going to sprinkle it on our bread very carefully so that no cheese gets in the pan. Oh, we lost some. That's okay. Oh, we lost some more. That's okay. Oh, there's more. Oh, it's all going in the pan. Oh no. Okay. And maybe just a little bit more. You can never have too much cheese. Alright. So now we have our cheese in the pan. On the bread in the pan. And we're going to let it melt for a little bit just to get acquainted with the bread and the butter and the heat. They're going to become friends. They're going to have so much fun together. They're going to go out to movies, maybe McDonald's, I don't know. Okay, so right now, you can see that we've got some gooiness happening. So that means it's time for the second slice of bread. We are going to place very carefully on top of the other slice of bread. And then comes the challenging part. We're going to flip it. Now, there's a lot of techniques to it, but whatever technique you choose, just remember, he who hesitates disintegrates. So, we're going to get our sandwich and flip it. So now we're going to wait for it to toast a little bit more. It just kind of depends on what you like. If you like really crunchy toast, if you like toast that's still kind of bready, or if you like bread that's just a little bit toasty, it's all up to you. So let's crank up the heat just a little bit and get that bread toasting. Okay, so it looks like our grilled cheese is ready. We're going to sit it on a plate, and now we are going to get ready for the mayonnaise grilled cheese. So just like before, we're going to take our bread, sit it on the pan, let it cook for a little bit while you grab your Colby Jack shredded cheese or whatever cheese you choose. And then we are going to carefully sprinkle that cheese on the bread. Yeah. Just a little bit more. Oh no. Lost some cheese. It's a sad day when you lose cheese. Okay. Now we're going to wait for the cheese to get a little bit ooey, a little bit gooey before we add our second piece of bread. And it's kind of hard to tell because you can't tell which part is the white part of the Colby Jack cheese and which part is the mayonnaise. But I think we are starting to see some already, which is a good sign. So we're going to take our other piece of bread and very carefully set it on top of the cheesy bread. Okay. And now we're going to flip. Remember, he who hesitates disintegrates. Very nice. Okay, and now we're just going to wait for the cheese to melt. and we'll get to some cross-section action. Alright, so our second grilled cheese is ready. We're going to take it, set it on the plate, turn off the stovetop, remove the pan from the heat. So now, we're going to kind of come to our moment of truth. So we have our grilled cheese with butter. So let's see how this, it's still a little hot, so be careful. So we are going to, oh yeah, look at that. That's really good. Now the bread is a little soggy because of the butter, but that's okay, it's grilled cheese. We have a little bit more crisp to the mayonnaise one. Admittedly, we did cook this at a higher heat with less oil, so that's probably why it's crispier. Now let's get to the cross section. Oh, that's nice. Cool. So let's do a little taste. How about that? Oh, this is the one with the butter. It's got some crunch, some flavor. Bread is a little soggy, but like I said, that's okay. The cheese is melted. It's really good. Now here's the one with the mayonnaise. Like I said before, crunchier bread. The cheese is a little bit gooier, and it doesn't weigh down the bread any, so that's pretty cool. Did not expect that from mayonnaise grilled cheese. Well, I'm gonna finish my grilled cheeses, and you do this at home, make your grilled cheese, have fun, be safe. We'll see you next Friday.